How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So again, I make these hickey videos because they're very popular on my channel. I get anywhere from 5 to 10 comments per day about hickeys. So for all the fitness people watching this, you're expecting a fitness video, trust me, there's lots and lots of fitness videos on my channel, and there will continue to be lots. I just go over this because, again, it's very popular on my channel, and that's what my subscribers want to see. So I do apologize if it's not fitness. There will be lots of fitness videos to come, trust me. So again, what I do for these hickey videos is I take a comment, I choose it from a subscriber, and it doesn't have to be a subscriber. If it's a random person, maybe they're not subscribed, but they commented. That is how I get my questions, and that's how the videos are made. So basically, this subscriber, again, this is a comment on my channel. They want to know if you can get rid of hickey with lotion, and they want to know the best lotion to get rid of hickey. So this is a double question. This is really good. I like this question, and I picked this question because it's a good one. So, lotion. I have said on my previous videos that anything applied topically, so anything applied on the skin, lotion, toothpaste, peanut butter, chapstick, coffee grounds, A535, banana peel, all those things you apply to your skin. Lotion is a little bit different because lotion would actually help because it would moisturize the skin. But the thing is, we don't have dry skin. Lotions for dry skin, make your skin smooth, make it appear better. It's not really, I mean, it could help the hickeys, but there's a better way of doing it. I say this in all my videos because I have the best way to get rid of a hickey. So if you guys are struggling with the hickeys, I mean, you can try the lotion, but guaranteed it won't be gone as quickly as my way. My way gives you the fastest way to get rid of a hickey. The fastest way. There's no screwing around. There's no waiting. You literally do this for 2 minutes. Your hickey's gone forever. A lot of people ask me how to get rid of a hickey overnight, how to get rid of a hickey in like 6 hours. How about I get rid of it in 2 minutes? Legit 2 minutes. All you do, take anything. Pen will work. I don't recommend a pen though. Spoon or coin is the best way. Rub the hickey like this. 2 minutes, that's it. What's gonna happen is your neck's gonna be super, super red. 100% okay, this happens to everyone. The redness goes away. When the redness goes away, the hickey will also be gone. Here's the thing, 90% of people that works. The other 10% I have found doesn't work. So what can we do? Rub it for another 5 minutes this time. Not 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Guaranteed 110%. You do that the 5 minute time, this time, the second time around, 100% gone. Now the reason why this works is just because a hickey is a bruise. That's all it is. All we're doing is creating blood flow. It's literally as scientific as you can get it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Peace.